I'm going to show you how it can take just mere seconds to create a custom product preview for your Zazzle products. Drag your downloaded preview onto a new layer, double-click or hit enter on the keyboard to place. Next, select the action that you wish to play, push play, and name your file. Here's how it's done. You'll want to start by making a selection of your product. For this tutorial, I'm using the Quick Select tool, but you'll want to use whatever tool gives you the best results, because this is the most important part. Create your perfect selection, and now we're going to save this selection as a selection in our alpha channels. Name your selection and hit OK. Next, we are going to record our action. Now what I do is record all new actions under one folder for my Zazzle store. Click the New Action button and name your action. Now let's record our steps. The first step you're going to want to take is to load the selection that you just created. Promote your selection to a new layer with Layer via Copy, and then delete the original layer. File, save as a JPEG with an original name. Next, I have my action delete the current layer so that my template is ready to save the next file. End your recording by pushing stop. Next, on the Save action, be sure to toggle the interactive button so that you can save each image with a unique file name. And finally, be sure to save your template as a PSD. This will save the template as you've created it, as well as the alpha channel, so that your selection is always available. And you can even create multiple selections in the same file. Now, let's see our action in action. And that's it. You can create a product preview in under 30 seconds.